Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Marty here with EVERYDAY-XJ, and I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but 2018 was extremely busy. Unfortunate things came about, and ever since December, it's just been hectic in my life. So I want to show you all something real quick. This is a Crusader bumper from JCR Off-Road, and I thought I would give you guys an unboxing and show you what one looks like, not painted, just shipped to you. But first, I want to give you guys a quick overview of what's been going on. December, my mom passed away. Before that, I had to leave my job in the middle of September 2017 to take care of my mom. So that's been going on, and about 5 weeks ago, I decided it's time for me to sell my house. So that's why I've not been really making any posts. I've not been making a whole lot of videos. It just, life has been dealing me some blows, and I've just been rolling with the punches, man, and taking the situations and doing the best things I can with them, and trying to turn them into positives. So, but anyway, the house is up for sale, and I'm doing that. But I got this in the mail today because I'm gonna have to be pulling a trailer with my 96 Country, Jeep XJ Country, and I thought I'd show you this to you guys. Now this is a JCR Crusader bumper, and I'll have to say, I've been to the Off-Road Expo in Louisville for the last 3 years, I think, and the guys with JCR Off-Road have always been super nice, very polite. They never had a problem answering any kind of questions about anything that I've ever asked them. You know, even when it comes to my website and stuff like that, there's always somebody there can give me maybe not the best information, but they definitely point me in the right direction and to get the information that I need. But like I said, this is the first product of theirs I've ever bought, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the craftsmanship of this bumper, and I didn't expect it to be as heavy as it was. But man, this thing, it's a heavy beast, and it is a sexy bumper. And as you can see, they packaged it very good. Federal Express delivered it to my door, and see where it's got the mounts for the lights, for the bumper and everything. And I will say, if you buy a rear bumper for an XJ, and you're going to tow with it, make sure you get all the right gussets, you know, the installation parts that you need to strengthen the subframe. And right here, and they send you the hardware. And make sure, there we go. Make sure you get the nut strips, because in the XJ, the nuts for the factory bumper, the stamped piece of sheet metal, it's just nuts that are tack welded into the subframe, and a lot of times they rust and they break, and they're a pain in the ass. And make sure you get those nut strips. That way you can install your bumpers, front or rear. I don't know if the front will take nut strips, but anyway, I know the rear does. Make sure everything, you know, screws nice and it assembles easily. Now, if it was one person, this right here should be a 2-hour job, maybe, you know, maybe a little bit more, depending on issues you run into with rust and, you know, bolts breaking and all that stuff like that. But anyways, I just want to make this quick video and give a lot of you all a heads up, let you know what's going on. Man, it's either heavy or I'm just getting fat, getting weak. It's just awkward. There we go. And just a really nice bumper. And yeah, I wanted it without any powder coating, because I was gonna paint it the silver trim on the XJ, or paint it like the silver part, that way it kind of matches. Excuse my floor. Dog gets mad when I don't come home for a long time, and she throws her food everywhere. But you see the silver part? I'm gonna repaint, you know, the back part of it to make the bumper look nice. Regardless of the fact the rest of the Jeep looks like crap. But hey, all I have to say, that Jeep has saved my bacon more than any other vehicle I've ever had. It always gets me where I need to go, and it never lets me down. And I'm trying to think, the last real mechanical problem that I had with that Jeep was, there was a little fuse up underneath the hood that blew and my radio wouldn't work. That's been about it. But anyway, I'll get into that in a later video. I'll show you all the little things I've done to the Jeep, you know, that you can't see. It's all underneath, as far as like, you know, brakes and all new front end, all that fun stuff. But anyways, like I said, I'm not gonna ramble any longer. I just want to let you guys know what's going on and show you this cool new bumper from JCR Off-Road. Awesome guys, and I'm sure I'll be doing a lot more business with these people. So I'll see you guys later.